We're thrilled to have the SD Italy product line for North American distribution. The machine that you see behind me, the SD F-150R Augusta model, is what we view as being a hybridized CNC and cutting machine. So what we're trying to do here is to really bring the very high technology know-how of SD Italy in the CNC routing side and add the cutting and creasing capability so that we can really offer commercial printer, a display printer, or folks that are in the engineering and manufacturing realm, a solution that will let them not only do thick materials and very dense and hard materials, but also be able to do a kiss cut label job for, let's say, a wrap for some sort of an industrial product or other relatively thin materials, all on one platform. That's our concept behind the hybridizing of cut, which we feel that this product will bring to the market. So the SD Augusta F-150 will provide customers of ours that are in the signage and display market with an incredibly powerful platform to allow them to process multiple products and substrates, all using a 25-tool automatic changing technology and process materials up to 6 inches thick. The other thing that I really like to focus on, because let's face it, time is money, the machine you see behind me actually operates at almost 6 feet a second and accelerates at 1.7 G from one cut position to the other. There's no other machine vaguely close to those kind of specifications available in the marketplace. And again, time is money. The quality of the finished product is also ensured by the use of state-of-the-art tooling, including the availability of up to a 13 kilowatt drive. So that's how we cut such thick materials. The customer came into the booth here earlier today, and they asked what our maximum thickness for wood products is when cutting in one pass. The answer turns out to be north of 2 inches, almost 2.5 inches. That's what you get with those very heavy-duty drives.